Jason, this is the Freebird Garage, and today we are installing some Kemimoto moto pegs on my Harley-Davidson FXR behind me. That's a mouthful of moto to moto pegs, and these are the motocross style pegs that you'd see essentially on a dirt bike. Kemimoto has made theirs to the street bike scene, and now we're gonna get some on my FXR behind me for the rear passenger, because mine are from 1992. So we gotta get these replaced because they're terrible. They slip and slide around. My wife really would enjoy some tracks in the back to make sure that she doesn't move when we're banking through some corners. All right, so let's open up the packs, check them out, and get them installed. Unboxing the moto pegs. Here's the package and how they come, and just plain round bag there, and on the back side as well. Real simple, nothing special. Let's open it up. All right, here we go. We have a part number, and these are the X003BS538X. These are the black version of their moto pegs. They make a red version as well. Nicely tucked away. A couple very important screws there. All right, bubble wrap, simple packaging, here we go. All right, all black, like I said there, anodized aluminum. And the exact aluminum they use for this is a 7075-T6 billet aluminum. And these are CNC made, and they have a non-slip teeth here. So when it's wet out, it's gonna bite right into your shoe or your riding boot, whichever you have there to plant into it. It's gonna make sure that you do not move. These are all replaceable that are on here, which is sweet. So you wear one out, you can replace them. They even come with a small package of 4 of them right in there. So if you have a couple that go missing, you knock them out, you can get them replaced. This is super light, nice and wide, and you also have a 360 adjustable on the rear there. So there's the first one there. Let's get the second one out. Sure looks exactly the same, or it should be. Yep. No scratches, looks beautiful. Even has some cuts down here. It looks nice, kind of gives a break from the smoothed out black on the back, and then a little bit on the side as well here. Picks up on the camera, and the same thing on the front. Gives the classic moto style cut of the pegs. And once again, this is a super light peg that I feel like if you put it in a certain position, it's gonna stay there and not just flop down. So let's get this on the bike, see how they look. Removing the pegs, real simple. 9/16, at least on the top one for mine, and a 5/8 for the bottom. Just twist it off and we'll get it removed. A little washer, this is very important, keeps your pegs nice and sturdy. If it wears out, replace it, because otherwise your pegs just drop down if you've never done it before. Now we just gotta adjust the peg to make it go flat, to make it go even with the bike. And this is a 6mm. Push it up just a little bit. Pull it down and a little more. There we go, perfect. And a little bit of a tilt there. Right about there should do it. Boom. All right, same process repeated. good there. Slide the new one in. Oh yeah. Okay. Got our bolt lined up here. Right in. Lock it down. Okay. Yep, feels good there. Let's get our adjustment. About there. Yep. We'll do it. Awesome. There we go. All right, the finished product of the pegs. I love the profile, matches perfect with the frame there, angle and everything for mine. Looks awesome. There is the right, there is the left, keeps clearance, everything looks good there. Pull it down, moves smoothly, goes real well with the bike. Stoked. Woo! Bam, there it is, the Kemimoto Moto Pegs on my Harley-Davidson FXR behind me. They look fantastic, stoked. They look great, easy install, no fitment issues to get them on. And just need to see how they feel. Well, at least my wife, she needs to get on the back. Let's see how they feel. We'll ride them down the road, do some twisties, the best that Michigan can give us, and see if they really hold their own. I'm sure they will. They look fantastic. They feel great. They're gonna grip great. And for you guys at home, if you want some, I'm going to have a discount below. Kemimoto, thanks for sending this. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.